Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some 3 off 15 deals that y'all can do any day of the week at Dollar General, and we have a couple of glitches. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so as a lot of you already know, we have a new 3 off 15 DG store coupon for the month of July. So I'm going to take just a couple of minutes to go over a few things with these 3 off 15 coupons because I know some of y'all really have problems adding these onto your accounts. Now, since this seems to be a regular thing that Dollar General is doing now, I am going to be putting together a short video walking y'all through step by step how to add the 3 off 15 coupons as well as any exclusive coupons that we get to your account. But until then, if you have problems adding this onto your account, here's a couple of things to keep in mind. Number one is that these 3 off 15 coupons are a one-time use only per account. So what I recommend y'all doing, if you have multiple accounts, do not go in and add this 3 off 15 coupon to all of your accounts this week. What I did last month was on the first week that we had that coupon, I added it to one account. I ran out to the store, did my 3 off 15 deal, and then I waited for the next sales week to add that 3 off 15 coupon to another account. So all in all, I have 4 or 5 accounts that I use, and since I have at least 4 accounts that I can use, I can have a 3 off 15 deal for each week. So don't go adding the 3 off 15 to all of your accounts because you're afraid it's going to disappear. It's not going to disappear. It's going to be around all month long. You can come back, click on this video, click on the coupon link, and add it to another account next week when we have new 3 off 15 deals with new coupons and new sales. Now, the second thing to keep in mind, if you have issues adding these coupons onto your account, it may be the browser that you are using. So I use Google Chrome, and I haven't had any issues out of using that yet. I have also heard that Safari is good, but some of the browsers out there have a hard time loading it or letting you sign into your account. So it may be the browser. You may have to switch browsers, click on the link or copy and paste the link however you want to do it and try a different browser. Or you could also try it on your phone. If it doesn't work on your phone, try it on your tablet or a computer. The third thing that I want y'all to remember is once you click the link, sign in, and add the coupon to your account, you're not going to see the 3 off 15 DG store coupon in your regular coupons folder on the app. You're going to have to go into your wallet and you're going to see a folder that says just for you. Click on that and your 3 off 15 will show up there. So there's just a couple of things to keep in mind. Again, I will be uploading a video showing you all step by step how to add these coupons to your account and going over some common issues that people have been having. But until then, if you have any questions, don't forget to just leave it down in the comments section below and I will be happy to help. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into these 3 off 15 scenarios for this week, shall we? So first up, we have a little household deal. For this one, you want to pick up one of the All or Snuggle products at $4.50, one of the Citrus Magic Air Fresheners at $2.50, 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps, they're on sale, 2 for $4, one of the Febreze plugins for $3.25, 2 of the Baby Ruth singles for $1.50, they are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and one of the Azo 20 count tablets for $3.45. That's going to bring your subtotal to $19.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 All or Snuggle product, the 1 off 1 Citrus Magic Air Freshener, the 50 cents off 1 Palmolive, the 2 off 1 Febreze plug-in, and y'all keep in mind that that coupon does expire on Wednesday the 6th. Then you're going to need that 5 off 1 for the Azo product, and that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $6.70 for 8 items, making each one just 83 cents each. Now, I know some of you all are not going to be able to find the 20 count Azo tablets, or you may have already used that 5 off 1 coupon. So without the Azo tablets in this scenario, that's going to bring your subtotal to $15.75. And after all of your coupons have been applied, that's going to leave you paying $8.25 for 8 items, making each one just $1.03 each. Alright, now next up, here is a deal that I have already done this week. I tried this out yesterday and it worked out perfectly. I am super excited about this one and may go back and do it a second time. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Fabuloso 128 ounce bottles for $7, one of the Palmolive dish soaps for $2.50, one Suavitel fabric softener at $3.50, two of the Colgate toothpaste at $8, those are $4 each, and one of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45. That's going to bring your subtotal to $24.45. Now, this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings deal on Fabuloso, Palmolive, Suavitel, and Colgate. For when you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. And since we spent $10 twice, our subtotal is $24.45. We're going to get a total of $6 in instant savings coming off first at the register. And that's going to bring our new subtotal down to $18.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Fabuloso, the 50 cents off 1 Palmolive, the 1 off 1 Suavitel, the 4 off 2 Colgate, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $3.95 for all 6 items, making each one just 65 cents each. I think this is a fantastic deal considering you are getting a lot of household products. Now, if you can't find those Azo tablets, or if you've already used that 5 off 1 coupon, that's going to bring your subtotal to $21, but after all of the instant savings and coupons have been applied, that's going to leave you paying $5.50 out of pocket for 5 items, making each one just $1.10 each. Alright, next up we have a little personal care deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Big Us razors at $6, one of the Degree deodorants, 2.6 ounce or 2.7 ounce, depending on if you want to get the men's or the women's. Those are priced at $3.50. One of the Axe deodorants, 1.7 ounces for $2.85. One of the Neutrogena face cleansers at $4.50, and one of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45. That's going to bring your subtotal to $20.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 5 off 1 Big Us razor, the 1 off 1 Degree DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 2 off 1 Neutrogena, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $2.30 for all 5 items, making each one just 45 cents each. Now again, if you can't find those Azo tablets, or if you've already used that 5 off 1 coupon, that's going to bring your subtotal to $16.85, but after all of your coupons have been applied, you're going to pay $3.85 out of pocket for all 5 items, making each one just 77 cents each. Alright, so now let's get into our glitch deals. So this week at Dollar General, we have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They're on sale, 3 for $11. Now the ad does say that we should be getting a 1 off 3 digital coupon for the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs, but I have yet to receive that. So if anybody out there has that, please let me know down in the comment section. So as always, with these drink sales, we usually have a glitch with the 3 off 15 DG store coupon as a pickup order. So again, this is pickup orders only. I have not tried this at the register. If anybody does want to try it at the register, please come back and let us know in the comment section how it all worked out. So if you want to pick up 3 of the Pepsi 12 packs, again, they're on sale, 3 for $11. But with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, that is going to leave you paying $8 for all 3 12 packs, and again, this is a pickup order only. Now, we also have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs on sale this week at Dollar General. They're on sale 4 for $12. But again, with this glitch, it is picking up the original price. It is adding the sale plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So if you want to pick up a total of 4 6 packs, that's going to leave you paying $9 for all 4. And we also have Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, Sunkist, and A&W 12 packs. You can mix and match, so y'all keep that in mind. They're on sale this week, 3 for $12, and we have a 1 off 3 digital coupon. Now, y'all forgive me because I forgot to take a screenshot of this deal before I used my Dr. Pepper coupon. I already used that yesterday in the store. So if you want to pick up 3 of the 12 packs that are included in that sale, 3 for $12, we have a 1 off 3 digital coupon, plus that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. Do it as a pickup order so you can get in on this glitch, and that's going to only be paying $8 for 3 12 packs. Alright, now next up, I think this is probably the best glitch deal on Pop that we have this week, specifically because it is Coca-Cola and Sprite, and normally we don't have a lot of really good deals on Coca-Cola and Sprite. Even when they're on sale, they're still pretty pricey, so I would consider this a stock up deal. So, Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters, they are on sale this week, 3 for $4. Now, if you want to do a pickup order and pick up a total of 9, again, y'all can mix and match Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. Pick up a total of 9, use that 3 off 15 DG store coupon along with that sale. That is going to leave you paying $9 for all 9 2 liters. So making those just $1 each. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 3 off 15 scenarios so far. Now I say that because I want y'all to stick around because I have even more Dollar General deals to share with you all. We still have that P&G spin promotion going on this week at DG, and on Sunday we received a whole lot of new P&G coupons. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video, and I will probably have the P&G video ready to go tomorrow morning. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Now, I'm also going to be uploading a Family Dollar video this week because we have an absolute ton of cheap and free deals going on at Family Dollar. Y'all can do these deals any day of the week, but I did put together a 5 off $25 super low out-of-pocket deal for you all for Saturday. So I'm going to be uploading this video later on today. So again, make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals, because this one is definitely one that you're not going to want to miss out on. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and on your way out, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button that's right down below this video. Turn on those notifications, smash that like button, leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.